Good day, learners! I am Miss Tin, your guru kamigo. Welcome to another fun and exciting learning with me. Today, we are going to talk about conductors of heat and electricity. At the end of this video lesson, grade 5 learners are expected to discuss why some materials are good conductors of heat and electricity. You learned in the previous lesson that motion is a change in position with respect to a reference point, while distance is the measure of how far or near two points are from one another. Speed can be calculated by dividing the distance covered by an object in motion by the time spent to cover the distance. Try to answer this word problem in your notebook. A jeepney drove to a passenger's house that is 30 meters away from the station in 15 seconds. What is the speed of the jeepney? Given in the problem are distance, which is 30 meters, time, which is 15 seconds, and again, the formula in finding the speed is distance divided by time. So, 30 meters divided by 15 seconds, the answer is 2 meters per second. It is good to know that you really learned a lot from our past lesson. Now, you are more than ready for our next topic. The activities that you are going to perform will clearly identify whether the materials are conductors or insulators. Here is your first activity. Grade 5 learners, what do you think are conductors and insulators? When we say conductors, these are materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through easily. Copper wires are widely used for electrical wiring because they are ductile and are good conductors of electricity. Brass objects, as seen in the picture, are examples of conductors. Another examples of conductors are bronze objects like in the picture. Another examples of conductors are copper objects. Gold objects are also good conductors of heat and electricity. Iron objects like in the picture. Examples of silver objects. We also have steel objects like in the picture. Aluminum and graphite objects are also examples of conductors. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Copper and aluminum are metals. Stainless steel is an iron-based metal with chromium. Cooking pots and pans made of metals make cooking faster because they quickly allow heat transfer from the flame to the food being cooked. Not all materials are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are called insulators. Insulators are materials that does not allow heat and electricity to pass through easily. Plastic objects like in the picture are examples of insulators. Fabric items. Leather items are also examples of insulators. Glass objects. Rubber objects. Wooden objects. Cork objects like in the picture are also examples of insulators. Let's have fun and do this activity. Learning Task 1. Analyze each picture. Write C if the object is conductor and I if it is an insulator. Very good. The answer is I. Very good. The answer is I. Good job! The answer is C. Good job! The answer is C. Very good. The answer is I. Very good. The answer is I. Good job! The answer is C. Good job! The answer is C. Good job! The answer is C. Very good. The answer is I. Learning Task 2. To understand the lesson comprehensively about the conductors, perform this activity. Grade 5 learners, to check your understanding about the lesson, you are going to read the question and choose the letter of the best answer. Number 1. Materials through which electricity pass easily are called A. Insulators, B. Conductors, C. Non-conductors, D. Metallic. Very good. The answer is letter B. 2. Which of the following group of materials are good conductors of electricity? A. Copper, silver, gold, glass, and zinc. B. Wood, paper, leather, and plastic. C. Iron, copper, silver, gold, and nickel. D. Gold, paper, cloth, and plastic. Very good. The answer is letter C. Number 3. Materials that do not transmit electricity and heat are called A. Insulators, B. Conductors, C. Non-conductors, D. Metallic. Good job! The answer is letter A. Which of the following is most likely to conduct electricity the fastest? A. Wood, B. Plastic, C. Iron grills, D. Rubber. Nice! The answer is C. The following are good conductors of heat and electricity except A. Silver spoon, B. Golden ring, C. Cotton, D. Iron bar. Very good. The answer is C. Write true if the statement is correct and false if not. Number 1. Aluminum is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Very good. The answer is true. All materials can be good conductors of heat and electricity. Nice! The answer is false. Metal pots allow the heat flow thoroughly. Very good. The answer is true. Iron-based metals are insulators of heat and electricity. Very good. The answer is true. Electricity plays an important role in our daily activities. Nice! The answer is true. For the final part of this video lesson, Grade 5 learners, you are going to reflect on what you learned about conductors of heat and electricity. Complete the following statement. The part of the lesson I believe I learned most about is blank. The task which I found most challenging blank because blank. I realized that I can use what I have learned from this lesson when blank. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you had a great time learning with me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.